Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make WordPress faster, so let's get right into it. Now in this video, I'm just going to be giving you guys a couple of tips which I know work in pretty much speeding up any sort of website. So let's get right into it. First things first, what I do recommend you do is go into your media, go into your library, and search through all of the images you have and make sure that no images are of a higher quality than they need to be. You can put a 4K image within a 720p box, however, that is not going to show any quality difference as opposed to if you put a 720p image into a 720p frame, and if you just put in 4K or any higher resolution than it needs to be, it's going to make the site use more resources, which is going to make it more laggy. Additionally, you can enable caching, which I'm not really sure how to do, but if you enable caching, people will be able to access your pages faster. They won't need to wait until the PHP request comes back and they get the page given to them. Now, alternatively, what you can also do, you can remove any external embeds. For example, if I go into my pages and I go into one of my pages, for example, if I go into the landing page, what external embeds are, for example, if you add a block and if you go and find the YouTube block, which should be somewhere here. Let's just search for YouTube. As you can see, you have the YouTube embed. This is an external embed. If you use this fetches data from other places on the internet. That's going to make it not very optimized, and that's going to slow your site down. So make sure you download your videos that you want to put up, and that should be it. Now, one more thing, I don't have access to this, but I do recommend you do this, is go to plugins. Make sure you don't have too many plugins installed. Too many plugins can cause a site to lag. And additionally, make sure all your plugins are optimized, updated, and everything in between. Additionally, what you're also going to want to do is you're going to want to do or make sure that your code is good. So if you go over into your appearance, then go into customize, that should bring you here. You should have a custom CSS page down here, or button. Make sure your custom CSS, if you have any, is optimized. Again, make sure your code is of a high quality, and anywhere where code goes, you should make sure that the quality is top notch. And those are the main sort of suggestions I have for you making your site faster. And that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.